crafty friends, I am coming in with another DIY art bin project, and I created another spring themed birthday card, and I love how it turned out. But let me show you the die first. So this is the ladybug with the flowers and sun die. Let me see if I can tell you how much it is today. So that's a really good deal. Okay, so anyway, I will have that link down below for you. And also, I just want to show you. So you have the, I'm going to show you the little parts right here. So you have your two little ladybugs. They're a little pair of ladybugs. So we have these two right here. This is their head and their body. And then we have the eyes. And then these are for the little ladybug spots, or you could just draw them in yourself or whatever you want to do. But I actually prefer, even though they're so tiny, I do prefer that. Also, because, you know, they kind of give like a little 3D effect, and I'm not great. My hands shake a lot, and I'm not that great with drawing. But you also have your sky pieces. You have your sun and your clouds, and also one of these will actually go for the eyes for the cloud as well. So as you can see, there's a pair here and a pair here. Now, oh, I'm sorry, this is the eyes. So you'd have to run this again. I apologize. Run this one more time, and then you can have, you know, some extras in case you lose some pieces, but also for the sun. And then let me move this to the side real quick. Then the rest of this is all for the flowers, okay? So you have your tulips, and you have your smaller little daisy flowers, and then you have your bigger daisy flowers. I try to make mine to look a little bit like sunflowers, but, and then you have your leaves. You have the insides to the flowers, right? And then, of course, you have your little, I don't know what you want to call them, like the little pollen things. But anyway, these are the stems. And so you also have, this is the mound, or your grass mound that the flower's going to stand in, or you could make it soil, whatever you want to do. And then these are the leaves that go on the flowers. So you could do all tulips, you can mix and match. It's completely up to you. So let me put this aside real quick. And I am going to put it in the bag real fast. I apologize if I'm making too much racket, but if I don't put all these pieces together, I will lose it. I need to get some magnet sheets because I really prefer that, but I'm out right now. So, but at least I'm going to have this inside my little pouch. And guys, don't forget, I purchased those pouches on Amazon, and I believe it was by Max Tech. And you get 50, and they're actually supposed to be CD and DVD sleeves, but they work for me, so just saying, it's up to you. And I do need to get some more Velcro, but a lot of them, I used a, here we go. No, wait, that one doesn't have one, hold on. I need to go up to the Dollar Tree and get more of those little Velcro things, but see, isn't that cute? Love that. Okay. So easy to just put it on there. No big deal. Okay, so here is the card. So again, I did another card that is 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay. And the paper pad that I used for this, because I thought the colors were really fun, is basically this. This is the value cardstock. I did use some of my, I did use a couple of them for the 4x6, which is this one. The citrus cardstock matte stock. I actually used the red in there because to me this didn't look red. It looks orange. I don't know. It's a reddy orange. I really wanted a red. Okay, but anyway, so then all I did was start putting all the pieces together. I did create this Hey Lady PNG for you, which I'm going to list in the my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers, with an S at the end. So definitely check that out, and you can get that free Hey Lady. You can make it whatever size you want to in your Cricut or Silhouette. I think, what did I do here? I did 1 inch by, I think it was 3 inches. Yeah, 1 inch by 3 inch, basically. I just love the little clouds in here. I think it turned out so cute, adding in the little dots in the middle of the flowers. And of course, there's a little tulip. And look at how precious these little ladybugs are with their little cute faces. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I love how it turned out. I love the little smile on the sun. It reminds me of Doodlebug, although I know it is not Doodlebug. But I was thinking too, right? You could make this caterpillars. So basically you would cut out these two pieces numerous times to make the body of a caterpillar and then just do one head. Wouldn't that be cute? Or you could do two different caterpillars, one on one end, one on the other. I just thought there's so many ways you could, use this die for lots of different things, but birthdays, hellos, And then on the inside, I also created this just flying by to wish you a happy birthday with two little ladybugs flying. So I just thought that was super cute. And I hope you all love this card. Again, I will have both of these PNG. Well, this is actually a JPEG because I wanted to make sure that it was the exact size. So all you have to do is print this out on your printer and then cut it with your cutting board. No big deal. All I did was just cut right around the green. And then right here, all you have to do is put this in your Cricut and cut this out too. Although you could print it as well and separate the words if you want to. But then, of course, you'd have that white background. So I just think it's easier to cut it out in a Cricut, but that will actually be a PNG. But anyway, guys, I hope you all love this. I thought it was so much fun to make. I love the bright colors. And I hope to see you all again very soon with another project. I have a few more dies left. And I think I'm going to do another birthday card. Like, I'm just going to make this like birthday cards for the next couple of weeks, I think, because, well, you always need birthday cards or everybody's having a birthday. So this one is the super cute poodle. And, she's got her little purse and her little doggy bowl. It is adorable. At first I thought it was like a lamb, but it's actually a dog. It's a poodle. But anyway, love it. Anyway. So I will be seeing you all next time with that birthday card. So I hope you'll have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to check out my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers. And also, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love hearing from you when you comment. And I do return comments, or how would you say? Respond, not return. I respond to everybody's comments. Okay. Anyway, guys, hopefully I'm going to be able to talk right. I've only had 1.5 cups of coffee. I think I need to go up to McDonald's and get me a nice coffee. But anyway, guys, I will see you all soon. Bye, guys. Don't forget to visit DIY Artbin Store. Links are down below in the description box. Bye, guys.